Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Your Home Properties Within Your Reach. Again, this is Kay Nadera, your Bulacan Realtor. So, I'm going to give you an update. Syempre, September 2024 update for Idesha project here in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So, right now, I'm here at our Yama model. So, if you're looking for a townhouse model na nasa exclusive subdivision, syempre, very affordable, and gusto mo complete amenities, malapit sa MRT7, malapit sa mga schools, NLEX, perfect talaga siya for your home or pwedeng retirement home. So, Idesha is perfect for you. So, let me show you and give you a house tour sa ating napakamagandang Yama model. Yama model, so this is our dressed up model. Turnover natin sa kanya, bare unit. Ibig sabihin, walang tiles, walang partition. So, bare siya. So, ito ay townhouse, meaning sharing tayo ng firewall sa ating kapitbahay. Pero minsan, ang dilemma natin is kapag townhouse, maliit lang ang ating carport. Pero, iba si Yama model. Kasi si Yama model, we have a minimum lot area of 50 square meters, pero you have your big space for your carport. So, pwedeng-pwede kung SUV ang sasakyan mo, no? So, ito yung kanyang minimum lot area niya, 50 square meters. So, kung makahanap ka ng end unit, kung meron pa tayo, 75 square meters, no? So, let's go check our interior of Yama model. So, yan. So, this one, guys, is dressed up. Syempre, this is decorated na ng Idesha. Pero pag turn over to sa inyo, guys, ito ay bare. So, it's up to you how will you decorate your home. So, yan, wala yan. Imagine niyo pag turn over yan, wala yan lahat. So, ito is depende sa inyo kung paano nyo didesign yung inyong bahay. Pwede nyo ilagay kung saan mo nyo gusto yung living area. Pero, for your imagination, ito yung ating living area. Yan. So, may pagka-Japanese style siya kasi mababa yung ating center table. And you have your entertainment area / study area na under ng inyong stairs. So, ang stairs natin, different from Sora na buhos talaga lahat. Ito, parang may skeleton frame siya dyan na may buhos na manipis ng concrete. Then, the rest is, ito, papalagay nyo na lang wooden. Wood yan, wood. Tapos, ito, bare din yan, wala yung tiles. So, papalagay nyo na lang ng tiles yan kapag turn over. Ito, meron din ng steel frame. Black po yung paint natin. And, syempre, sa turnover, meron tayong initial prime ng first coat ng white painted wall. So, white paint siya, white paint. So, for your kitchen area, this is your kitchen area, no? So, this one, meron ka nang kasama sa turnover na counter top for your sink. Pero ito guys, hindi ito yung tiles mo, yung basic lang na tiles natin. So, you have your area here for your mga kitchen abubot. And eto, nilagyan na lang nila to para sa iyong fridge. Magkaroon ng partition between your dining table and your fridge. So, this Yama model is like house and lot, pero may pagka-condo style yung kanyang space, no? So, kung ikaw is living in Manila, so alam na may mga condo, so ganito yung kanyang style. So, dito, ito yung ating toilet and bath. For our toilet and bath, sa turnover, basic shower lang. Basic shower, you have your toilet and your sink. Then, kung yung tiles, meron siyang tiles, pero ikaw na bahala kung gusto mong papalitan yung tiles para pataasan siya hanggang ceiling. So, bare din ang iyong toilet and bath, pero usable na kasi meron ka ng toilet and sink. And you have your small space for your service area. So, your service area, syempre, ang hangganan niya, yung firewall mo lang din. So, meron ka ng abang dyan for may faucet ka dyan para sa laundry. Or kung gusto mo, usually naman, pag mga townhouse, gusto talaga nila nagluluto sa likod, no? So, yun, that's your first floor for your Yama model. So, excited na kayo guys for our second floor? Let's go check out our second floor. Okay guys, for our second floor. Pag turn turnover to guys, wala yung mga partition. So again, bare yan, may mga nakaabang lang na wirings. So let's check first our first bedroom, which is our kids' bedroom. Yan. So our first bedroom is facing sa ating front yard, pero it's up to you kung yung facing sa front yard nyo yung gagawin yung master's bedroom. And lahat ng ating mga turnover, may mga abang na for your aircon. So, ito yung ginawa nila, baby area. Oh, perfect for starting family. Siyempre, yan. So, this is your first bedroom. So, let's go check for our master's bedroom. Hi! So, guys, this is our master's bedroom. So, ayan. Kaya din ang ating double bed. Double bed, you have your space here for your bedside table. Pero guys, ang partition ng second floor nyo is really up to you kung paano nyo i-design, kung paano nyo hatiin. Yan. So, we have your built-in cabinet here. O, diba? And you have your long working table. Yan. So, this is our master's bedroom for Yama model. So, if you like it, if you're interested, guys, let's talk about the price. Okay, guys. So, Yama model, again, townhouse. Bare type, pag tinurn over, syempre by Idesh sa Del Monte, by PA Properties and Hankyu Hanshin. So, if you're interested, and you want to schedule a tripping, free tripping, message me on the number that you see on the screen. And for our total contract price, for our regular lot, ayan, 50 square meters, inner yan po yun. So, all our unit here is mayroon ng MRI, even, or mortgage redemption insurance, even down payment pa lang. So, ito po yung ating 18 months down payment for bank financing for Yama model. Yan. And for our Pag-ibig financing na down payment, ito po siya. Yan, guys. And syempre, for our reservation, ito po. Yan. So guys, don't hesitate to message me on the number that you see on the screen. Message nyo ako sa Viber and WhatsApp, and let's schedule a tripping and syempre free assessment, of course. So I hope to see you soon, hear from you soon, guys, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. So bye!